Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel that helps you stay safe from fake deals, shady gadgets, and online scams. Nowadays, we are taking a closer see at something that's been popping up all over social media, the so-called Ryobi hover disk. The advertisements, more often than not, appear individuals drifting over their yard on a shinning cutting-edge-looking machine, evidently made by Ryobi. It looks fun, it looks wild, and it looks as small as well, great to be genuine. So let's break down whether the websites offering this thing are legit or fair, another online trick. To begin with, Ryobi is a genuine and well-known brand. But there's one major issue. They haven't ever authoritatively reported or recorded any float plate or air cushion vehicle fashion item on their confirmed site, or any trusted retailer. That alone ought to raise a ruddy hail. The locales offering this thing regularly utilize garish photographs, unclear portrayals, suspiciously moo costs, and no clear client benefit data. Numerous of these pages, too, need secure checkout highlights, have no physical address, and utilize bland space names made as it were as of late. Another sign of inconvenience is that the item pictures coasting around don't coordinate genuine Ryobi building or branding guidelines. A few show up carefully altered or repurposed from irrelevant gear. If you attempt to see up genuine client surveys, you'll ordinarily discover complaints almost never getting the item at all. So, is the Ryobi hover disk genuine? As of presently, everything focuses to no. And are the websites offering it legit? Based on the proof, they're nearly certainly tricks. If you're enticed to arrange one, do yourself a favor. Thank you.